my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Chevron 254, man. Back with another one. Little labeler thing, man. I got off Amazon. Y'all know me, man. We finna be jumping off into some wiring in the future, and I definitely want to just be able to kind of label the wires. You know what I'm saying? Identify them once, label them, and be done with it. So this is something that can come in handy for a whole lot of stuff. It's made by brother. PTH110 is a part number. Well, a lot of people use it for a whole lot of different things. We finna bring it over into the automotive space. To label our wires, cables, etc., etc. So it was on sale. My wife said it's my favorite. That's like my favorite phrase, especially if it's like if it's not justified. If it might not be a justified purchase, man, it was on sale. Okay, might not be totally justified, but it was on sale, so can't be mad at that. So it comes with the machine, comes with some instructions, comes with I guess this is just a starter tape. Like I said, I did already order some actual tapes here. It was like 4 of them joints. At a knockoff looks like, but they gonna work the same way. So let me get it all together, man, and then we'll print out something. All right, so it looks like we got power on the machine. Let's see. Probably not the best angle. So let's go. And just like that, it's broke. No, real talk though. So let's go L. Let's go. So you can change the font. We're gonna go with Florida. Hit OK. So yeah, you can change the font. We're going with Florida. Hit OK. And then we're gonna go LSCR254. And then you can put it in a frame. Get these little frame options or whatever. All right, let's go back. I think I like that one. Yeah, so we'll go with that one. Hit OK. Frame size, large, medium, small. Of course, we're going as large as possible. And then preview. So you're able to actually preview it. That's what it should look like when you print it. And I guess that's the length it's supposed to be, 3.7 inches. And then you hit the print button. Tell it you want 1 copy. It says please wait. And then just like that, it come out the top. Use that to cut. And you are now the proud owner of a LSCR254 little sticky thing. So, like I said, my plan is to use it for wire labeling. It could probably come in handy with a whole lot of other stuff, man. You know, hell, cameras. Hell, you could probably put like this thing on the bottom. Or put a label, put a little sticker right there. It got the name of it. If you adjust the size, let me show you that. So we wanted to say the same thing, but we want the size to be small. And then we're gonna print that one copy. We're gonna see what the difference is. So yeah, that's the largest you can print it, and that is the smallest you can print it.